Okay, this is going to show you the last steps of the project to get it done. You can see that I also replaced the club with the Gryffindor shield because I figured the club was just too dark for the background, so I wanted something brighter, and I thought that would look pretty cool, so I kept it. All I did is I created layers. I brought the picture to the playing card, cropped the background that was on the Gryffindor, which was easy because it was white, dragged it over, fit it, and part of the club was exposed, so I used the clone stamp tool, or actually I think I used the eraser tool to get rid of the club, but I didn't get, I don't know if I got rid of it all the way. Yeah, here I didn't get rid of it all the way, just where it was exposed. I can see that I left a little bit of the stem now that I moved it in a different position, so then at least I can show you. So up here, I can just use the clone stamp tool, and I just use the Alt key and just start erasing. With this particular one, the one in front of the background, I had to actually create a hole. So I used the eraser tool for that one. You can see the club is gone. So I just used the eraser tool on layer 0 to get rid of that whole club. Okay, so one thing else I want to do, and this is also an optional thing, replacing the suit is optional. At this point, anything that I do is just really impressing me as a teacher. So I'm going to replace this K with an H. And what I did is I actually went to a free downloadable website to download certain fonts, and I actually typed in Harry Potter, and then I was able to download it and put it onto this MacBook. So there it is. So I go to the text tool, go up here, go to Harry Potter, and if I click, the cursor should pop open. There we go. And I'm just going to go with the letter H. Oh, it's still stuck on Myriad Pro. Let me change it. I'm going to highlight it like I would a Word document. I go to the text box, or go to the selection of the text up on top. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And it's black. It's an H. It's good. Now I'm just going to size it up. I'm not getting rid of that K yet because I need it as a gauge to size up the replacement. Okay. And the position. Good. Then I'm going to use the clone stamp tool. I'll select a nice big space here. Do this nice and fast. Click. Oh, cancel that. I'm on the wrong layer. Make sure you're on the right layer. And I'm just focusing on getting rid of the K behind the H. Just like that. Now, I did half of the card. Now I just have to do the other half. You may say that seems very, very difficult, but it's not. I'm very, very content with what I see up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely flatten this image. What I'm going to do is just use the polygon lasso tool. No, never mind. I'm using the marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool. And I'm going to make sure I select half, right where those flowers are. That's about the halfway point. So I select half of it, and right click, layer via copy. So what it did is it made a copy of that, and I go to image, rotate, and I'm going to flip the layer 180. Use the move tool, and I'm going to drag it into place. And for the most part it should fit right into place. Might be a little bit of tweaking involved. Make sure everything fits pretty decent. I can go back down here if I wanted to, and I could replace this H with a P upside down if I wanted to. But from the looks of it, this project is just about done. So just have fun with it. Try things out. Worst thing that happens is that you gotta go push the undo button. But I do want you to have fun. I do want you to try some things out. I want you to explore some possibilities until you get something that you're really, really happy with. Okay? And that's about it.